How many sources of renewable energy can you see in this picture? I believe that most of you would answer two: solar energy and wind energy. But actually, you should see three, because on the background there is the sea. According to the latest estimates, the energy of sea waves, called wave energy, could provide 20% of the global electricity demand, which is really a great deal of energy. This is due to its wide spatial distribution and also to its greater continuity over time with respect to other better known renewable sources. In fact, wave energy is often available when solar and wind energy are not. So why you never hear about wave energy? Indeed, many prototypes do exist and are being studied all around the world. The fact is that there are still a number of technological issues and associated financial difficulties to be overcome in order to make wave energy projects commercial and competitive. One of the main technical challenges is the design, modeling, and optimization of anchoring system called mooring systems of floating wave energy converters. That is the focus of my research. These devices of the floating type are very promising because they could exploit the enormous wave energy potential of the open sea, where waves are more energetic, with almost no visual and environmental impact, since they would be moored, anchored, just like a boat. But imagine the complex dynamics of floating bodies with moving components interacting with the waves. Modeling them and predicting their behavior in the real sea is a great challenge, especially for the mooring system, which is different from that of a boat. In fact, it has to be to keep the device in position, but also to let it free to move with the waves in order to produce energy. And therefore, it has to be optimized for the specific technology. No guidelines exist for that. So I modeled through different software, different existing devices with different complex mooring systems, trying to optimize them and proposing solutions for a realistic and cautionary numerical modeling of each element of the mooring system. Thanks to the experience gained, we conceived the idea for an innovative wave energy converter that, in our opinion, could solve some of the existing design issues. We filed a patent application for this, and the device will be tested in the next weeks in small scale in our laboratory wave tank, which is like a swimming pool where we can produce waves. So remember that engineers are working for you, trying to unlock less known but innovative resources with a great potential that now you can see. Thank you.